Big day today. Bunch of boats going out. Fishing tournament. That's a big panga. These guys over here are going out. That one there, pretty amazing. They come in, and he comes blasting in. And he pulls the boat in there. They got jumps out. Washes down the left side of the boat. Washes it all down. Then he pulls out, swings that boat around, and pulls it right back in and wash down the other side. The speed that he does, it's amazing. It's like they forgot lunch. It'll be a gorgeous day. I got into some really nice fish yesterday on the beach. When I got in straight in the hook, I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. These are big hooks. So I don't know what the hell it was. Jorge told me it was a really big red snapper. Really big snapper, he says. I don't know, there's a lot of jacks out there right now. Off the shore. Beach. Every once in a while we get home with a nice snapper and Spanish mackerel. It wasn't a Spanish mackerel because it wasn't. Spanish mackerel take you down the beach. Snappers usually keep getting close, so it probably was a snapper. Okay, here he goes. Watch this. Watch this guy in his blue boat. He doesn't screw around. Let me go burn some coal. There's another one out there. Yeah. Might be tuna hitting out there right now, too. Who knows? A lot of times we're going after Dorado this time of year. Dorado's actually the fastest multiplying fish. Pretty interesting. There's another one out over here. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Oh, their lights just went on in another one. Big day. Alright guys, cheers. I'm gonna finish my breakfast. I just love watching these guys go out. Another one going out over here. 2 more. 3 more. Look at them lining up out there. I don't know if you can see it or not. go. All right, cheers. Have a great day. I know